Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some thank you gift tags for our birthday gift boxes, and it's really simple. And if you know me, I'm going to jump right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is add a circle, and I'm going to make it a little bit larger. I think the 2x2 is a little bit too small, so we're going to go with a 3x3 circle, which is a pretty standard size. You can alter however you want to after the fact, but it's up to you. So let's start with a 3x3. And now this circle is going to serve for the main shape of the gift tag. You really can use any shape that you want. I just chose a circle because I think it's easier. And so I want to make it a little bit bigger. And so the next step is to grab another circle, and we're going to make this one really small. So this circle is for the hook where you can slide in your ribbon or your string or yarn, whatever you want to use to attach it to your gift box. So once you get the second circle, you're going to highlight both circles together, and then we're going to align them in the center. Now you can align it to whichever size you like. I like the center because to me it's more feasible and it's more symmetric when you do it that way. So now we're going to just move it up a little bit. I think that's the spot that I like it in. So to make the hole for the actual tag, you're going to have to highlight both circles together and you're going to slice it. Once you slice it, remove the small two holes, and then you have the one shape that we're going to use for the tag. Now here's the easy part. So I went ahead and chose the text option so we can write our little message in it. I really don't like this font, so we're going to change the font. I'm going to go to my systems tab because these are fonts that I already have on my computer, and I really like the kitty looking one, so I'm going to go with this baby doll font. And so now you see it's very large, way bigger than our tag. And so I'm going to write our message in first, and then I go back and adjust it to the correct size. So for your message, you can choose anything you want. We're going to be using these for my daughter's birthday party. So my message is going to be pretty simple. It's going to say, "Thank you so much for celebrating my birthday with me." And I don't really like how this text option just makes one large line. So I went ahead and just separated it into 3 different lines. And that way the text looks more like a little paragraph when you actually add it to the tag. And now that I have my message, now we're going to make it smaller. And so I do kind of want to clear up the line space and the letter space. It looks a little spaced out to me. So we're going to use the letter space option, and we're just going to keep on clicking down until it looks about right. This looks pretty good. And so now I'm going to actually change the size so that it fits into my actual tag. So while I'm correcting the size, the next step is going to be adding in a cute little object onto the tag so that it's not so plain. So my daughter is having a color party, and I'm going to look for something unicorn based. There's so many to choose from, but I found 2 that I like, and I'm going to add these to see which one I like the best to go into the tag. Now you will have to search around in the image section until you find something that you like. I kind of played around with it a little bit. So at one point I was using this unicorn. I didn't really like how it turned out, so I removed it, and I like these multicolored unicorns even better. So once you find your shape that you want to add, you're going to center the text, the unicorn, and the actual tag together. You're going to center it. That way everything is in the perfect place. So you cut your tags out, nothing is cut off, nothing's missing, and it doesn't look kind of lopsided. Now this next step is very important, and this is what's going to make the tag the actual tag. So you're going to highlight all the elements for the tag, and then you're going to hit flatten. What flatten means is that you're going to print this out on paper, and it's going to only cut the circle. It's not going to cut out the text or the unicorn. Now you're going to save the project so that once we get into the cutting feature, it doesn't exit out, the system doesn't crash, and you lose all of your work. Now, once you save your project, we're going to go to make it so that we can actually cut out this tag and put it onto our gift boxes. Now, I don't like to waste paper because I'm going to be printing this on cardstock. So what you're going to see me do is keep going back to my canvas to add as many tags to one page as I could. So I think my final number came out to be 6 tags onto one page. And so this way I save paper. Now that Cricut has updated their print and cut feature, this makes saving paper so much easier. So once your page is ready, make sure you go to Send to Printer and you select the right printer to print it off. Now I did turn off the bleed because you don't really need it for this project. While that's printing, go ahead and click on Browse All Materials and make sure that you find the correct cardstock setting for the cardstock that you have. If it's still in the packet, you can read the packet and find the one that's closest to it. But it's important to find the right cardstock because if you don't, the blade will cut through your mat. Now you're ready to cut. So my page is already printed out. I've already ran the cardstock through my Cricut Explore 3. And so now I'm peeling off the excess. And you see how easy that all came off? Now I'm going to pull the tags off one by one. And you'll see that the little circle was also cut out. Remember when we sliced that out earlier? Now the tag is already ready to go. I just have to pull them all off with the mat. And then I'm going to attach them to the gift boxes. Now this is the real easy part. You're going to take a tag, you're going to find some string. It can be yarn, it can be ribbon, just whatever you want to use. You're going to stick the string through the hole, and then you're going to actually put it around the handle of the gift box. All you have to do is tie it off and you're done. If you made it this far and you like this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to my channel. There are going to be so many more videos coming this fall and this winter season, and y'all do not want to miss these easy tutorials. Leave me a comment and let me know how you like this video.